Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm a little excited, more than usual, because I received this box in the mail. Okay, this was sent for me from a company that wanted me to do reviews, so I'm going to go ahead and do a complete unboxing review. I've had this box for a while. I received it during the time I was in the hospital, and then I was on bed rest when I got home, so I haven't really been able to use it until now. So I've actually only had it a couple weeks, but I'm going to go ahead and get into the box and show you what I received. Here it is. It's packed with all this little droppers. This is hard wax beads. So I have beads in different colors, and this is a home waxing kit that I received. You have these black ones, you have these blue ones, you got some yellow ones, looks like there's some pink ones here, and then these darker blue and these like cream color ones. Okay, so this is the kit. So it has it includes a warms all types of waxes. It includes extra aluminum containers, see-through cover, prevents wax contamination. So this is really cool. This is how it's going to look. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what it is. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here, it looks like it comes with these little scissors. And then it comes with a set of tweezers, which is nice because I can always use extra tweezers. These little wooded things, I guess, to mix and to put on your body. These have a little, that's probably to apply the wax. We'll find out. Ooh, this is so exciting. Oh, okay, I was wondering. It said it came with extra tins, and I didn't see them. So here's a little container. This is cute. Looks like a little rice cooker. Oh no, it's cute. And it has a little tin. I guess it's to melt the wax. That's really cute. 3 of them. Inside is a little container to melt it. So I guess I put that in there, and this is just for me to be able to take out. And then you have the little temperature. You have on, off, and then it goes from 160 degrees to 240. So that's pretty hot. See. Then it has a little manual here. Oh, and then in the back it shows, I guess, what each of these are for. Okay, so the package includes 1 wax warmer, 6 wax beads, these 10 wooden sticks, the 10 small sticks, 3 small bowls, which are the heart-shaped ones, 1 set of tweezers, 1 set of scissors, and the instructions. And I think we are ready to go. So I'm kind of nervous because the last time I tried going to get wax, I did my eyebrows and I got really irritated. So I'm going to avoid the face and I'm going to just do my legs, which since being in the hospital, I have not had a chance to wax my legs or get them shaved. So hopefully my hair is not too long or too short and it works. So the first thing is plug it in a safe area. So I have it right here on my countertop, and it says remove the lid. So the lid is removed, and the next step says adjust the wax holder on the wax can for easy holding. Okay, so I guess I make sure it's this way, but okay, I think, because it does look like it would melt. The next thing says turn on the temperature on the knob to 240 degrees. So let me go ahead and turn that on to 200. That's all the way. So there you go there. At 240 degrees. I don't know if that light's supposed to be on. Okay, so the device, it says that the device will be warm and ready once the light is on. So I think I should have put the wax beads in, so I'm going to go ahead and grab those. So here's the wax, and I like how this lid has like the zip lock right there, so you can always keep it, but I don't know how much I'm supposed to put. It didn't say if I should put the whole thing, so I'm just going to try like half a bag because I'm just kind of testing it out. I guess like that. Yeah, I'm going to do half a bag just to try it out and see how that works. Okay, so I went ahead and moved the plug from there to here, and the light is on. So it looks like we're ready to go now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid like it originally told me. And okay, the light's on, so I'm trusting it. 15 minutes has gone by and it is all liquefied. So the light is off, and I went ahead and put it to 195 as recommended to keep it warm. So now the scary part. I'm going to go ahead and try to apply it to my guys. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. It looks like it's warm enough right there. I'm going to go ahead and test it. Not sure if I'm doing this right, but I went ahead and turned it off because I think it said off. I got a little confused. So now I have to test the area. It does say take the can out, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it in there.
You should take it out.
There it is. I'm scared. Oh, okay, so it's not that bad. Okay, so that doesn't hurt. It's not like hurting, just warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my leg. I think my hair might be a little too long. I was trying to let my hair grow, and I think it's too long. I didn't know how long to let it grow. Oh! Okay, it doesn't hurt. Okay, so I'm doing a thick layer. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry. It didn't really say how long to let it dry, so I'm just going to let it dry for a few minutes, and then I'll pull it off, and we'll be right back. So my daughter's going to go ahead and do it for me. Go on. Oh, pull hard. Ah! Did it pull any hair?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, we're going to try this again. So we're going to do it again. I did notice when I was applying the second layer that some of the hair was pulled and the majority of it was like ripped in half. So maybe my hair was too long. So hopefully this time when it's pulled, it gets a little bit shorter or completely off. So my daughter's going to go ahead and pull it again. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. Oh!
Oh! I don't see anything.
Really?
Mm-mm. I don't know. I'm blind. Do you see anything?
Okay, let me see.
I have my glasses on.
The hair did get shorter. Yeah, as you can see, like, it did get shorter. Yeah, it took it. It just didn't pull it from the root, but the package did say, the directions did say it wasn't going to pull it from the root.
Oh, yeah.
You see them? Let me see.
I think so.
I don't really see hair on it. Actually, I kind of do. I see, like, I don't know if you could see them. There's like a couple of strands. But, yeah, it did work a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. It did get me red. This time it was a little bit hot when I put it on, so it did hurt. I'm going to go ahead and leave my hair like this and not do the rest of the leg, just so I can see how my skin reacts towards it tomorrow, and I can see if I have any irritation or anything before I go ahead and do my whole leg. But it looks like it works, but I will have to do it quite a few times in the same section. But it's not that smooth that you want from shaving. That's the only thing. I don't know if you can see my hair. Just a lot of picky. So you can see the hair that it didn't get, which I didn't. Right here, this is a section you can see. It ripped it, but there's all stubs, so it didn't pull it from the root. It just ripped the hair off. Okay guys, so that was my review. I tried doing it a third time, and this way I tried pulling the hair the opposite way just to see if I did it wrong. And the same thing, I would have to probably go over the same part or section to maybe possibly 3 times to get all the hair. Maybe my hair was too long, but my legs were stubby. I didn't get that smooth feeling that I actually wanted. I apologize. I changed. It's completely hot, especially here. I was doing it in my kitchen, and I didn't want to put the air on because it would make too much noise to the video. So I'm hot. I want to get the air going right now. But that was my review. I'm going to keep playing with it, and I'll update the video in the comments below if I found a better way of doing it. Maybe I'll even make a second video if I get different results. So I don't know if anybody's tried this product and they liked it and they see that I'm doing it a little different than they did. Let me know in the comments below your suggestions, because waxing can be very expensive. So if I can get this down, then I'm gonna 100% love it. So I really don't know how I feel so far. If it takes this long where I have to do it 3 or 4 times, then I'll probably just continue shaving. But if I can figure out a way to get this down, maybe I'm just doing it wrong, I'll update in the description below once again, or I'll make a second video and let you guys know. That's all I have for today. Unfortunately, I wish I had a better outcome. But I'm going to go ahead and leave in the description a discount link if you want to go ahead and try it out. Once again, this product was sent for me free to review. But I really want it to work to what I'm thinking it should work. So I'm going to go ahead and keep playing with it once again, and I'll let you guys know how I feel maybe towards the end of the month. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos or any of my reviews that I have coming, because I have a lot of stuff for you. As always guys, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.